everybody, it's Neil, and I am in my kitchen, kind of sitting down in my table. But I have this FKM, I'm on an FKM kick. I just I bought also an FKM thermometer checker. Actually, it's right here, thermometer thingy. So, but I also got here, this here's a wire, you know, like, what's it called, like a clamp meter. So it's got the multimeter stuff and the clamp stuff, so you can check it out in your circuit breaker box and whatnot. But let's check it out and see how it looks. We're gonna do an unboxing here. I won't really necessarily get to use it much, but I'll show you how it works. This is what the box looks like. There's the back with some information on it. Sorry about the ring light putting a little reflection on it. And there is some barcode information. I guess I could scan it and it'll give me more information. But let's check it out. FKM comes with cool little zipper boxes, which are nice, so you can protect your equipment. Opens up super easy too. Oh, check out all the stuff in here. So we'll look through it all here in a second. Let me just put it down so you can see. We have the little probe dealies here, the little ends there. We have a whole, man, we got all sorts of stuff. Okay, so here we have the probe, the wire probes, you know, to test the resistance and things like that. We have another little probe wires here. And we have the meter and 3 AAA batteries. So let's put this thing together and we'll check it out and see how it works. I'm gonna use my handy dandy knife that I've cut myself only twice with. Okay, we got our batteries, we got the meter. Let's see how we open it up here. Guess we're gonna need the little screwdriver that it came with for this. Let's lock, unlock. There we go. So we just turn it to unlock and open it up. And inside there we go. So the little one faces down. Then the second one is up and the third one is back down again. There we go. And I'll close it back up. And screw it back on again to lock it. There we go, now locked up in place. Okay, so here we go. We have all the different settings on there, you can see. And there's the clamp deal, so you can clamp it around your wire, you know, so you can test the power going through the wire. So we're off right now. I could do, oh, it's got a little temperature probe. I guess that's probably what one of these things is here, is a temperature probe too. So whatever it's temperaturing now, it's at 19 Celsius. Let me see if I can change it to Fahrenheit here somewhere. Boy, I don't even know. But then we have the resistance over here and the ohms. I'll plug in this little wire here, we'll check it out. So this is the wire. It's weird that it comes with caps, I guess, on the wires, is it? It's funny. It's funny that it comes with little caps on the wires. I don't know why you'd ever want caps on there, but whatever. Got caps on these ends too. I've never had wires like that, but okay. So you can see they just plug in super easy. And what am I'm at the resistance now. And these have little caps on them too. Okay, well, they're sharp. But here we go, we got, so if we go to resistance here, we can put that, where is it? Well, you can see it's flashing the numbers here and stuff as it's doing it. So I just have them touching to each other. But I guess you can touch it to other stuff and see what the resistance is, I don't know. I actually have some on my fingers. I got them poked in my fingers. It's probably hitting my bloodstream at this point. But that's pretty cool. And I could do the voltmeter. So then I could stick it in my outlets to check the power of that. And then different amperages as well, 60 and 600 amp. I'm not sure what NCV is, but so it's got all the different settings, pretty cool. It's got all these different buttons here and everything too. So here, I'll give you guys a close-up view of it so you can see how it looks. And so it comes with these 2 probes, super sharp. I'm gonna put the caps on these things, huh? I guess you could really check something good. If you want to jam it in something, you could probably check the resistance of a steak or something with it. Here, no, take it off of here. And then what were these ones? I'm not sure exactly that. And then this one here, oh, this is probably the temperature probe one. It's a little different. So, actually, I'll tell you in a second. Let's look it up. So it comes with this barcode here. You might be able to scan that to get some more information or whatever it is you need. That is to get assistance, 24 hours assistance. And here we go. So here's all the different settings and stuff. We can change the background light. We can check the different functions. We can check between automatic and manual settings. We can get relative measurements, frequency measurement, duty cycle settings. You can set minimum and maximum settings. I guess that's probably just gonna beep when you hit those. There's obviously the off, to turn it off. The COM terminal. I guess that's the terminal here where we connected in things. Oh, I guess more things will connect to this one, and then this is the different terminal you can see, whatever. Very cool, and pretty cool. I like it. So this is nice. Nice little meter. I'll be using this when I need it. I'm gonna be putting this in my work box for when I do electric stuff. Looks like it even might have a little light in the tip there. See, if I go, what setting am I on? Ugh. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure. I got an EF from doing something. I'm not as pro at using these things. Whenever I do it, I always have to look it up. But I'm sure there's plenty of YouTube videos on how to actually use it. I'm just showing you what it looks like in an unboxing. So there we go. It looks good. It looks like a very quality kind of machine. I mean, it's not going anywhere. It's solid. It'll hang from wire. The clamp is super strong. So that part you have good. We definitely got good, nice, sharp little probes that are very good quality and nice plastic and stuff. So I think the quality of this is going to be good. As far as a review, I'm going to say it's a good quality on the device itself, as far as the accuracy and stuff like that. I'm not exactly sure because I didn't run it all. I just kind of did the little probe test, but I like it, so this is very cool. I'll be using this. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.